I have disassembled all the components. What is left here is just wires. Okay, this is a rectifier, you know, from this small transformer. I think this transformer gives an output of 9 volts, which according to this wiring is used to power the MP3 player, which is this one. I have just dusted it, you know, just to remove the dust that was there, and you can look at the shape of it. I'm not going to reuse this one because you can see some areas are rusty. You can see even this power thing here, it's already rusty. You know, there are some missing components. For example, there is a cover that is missing from here. You can see this button over here, it's missing. Somebody tried to do some repairs on it and some modification. You can see this kind of glue here, so I'm not going to reuse this because definitely it will just be a matter of time before it fails, and definitely it's not looking like something that is presentable. The transformer is in good shape. I will reuse this one. I will also reuse this transformer over here. This one is also in good shape. This transformer is a transformer out of a changer, a 3 CD changer. You know, I used to buy this from Grogon, and it has very nice output. We will just determine, you know, just to try and refresh myself and see how many volts was coming out of here. You can see there is a wing of an insect. That is the wing of an ant, and several materials coming out of here. This transformer, I also know it is in good shape. It doesn't look like it has... Wait a minute. This one looks like it's gone. Let's give it a smell test. This one is gone. This one is a gone case. You can see these coils. Definitely these coils are burnt out. This one is gone. These coils are black. You can see it overheated at some point. You can see the evidence from these papers here, and even the coils look black. And this is a step down transformer from 240 to 24024, and these are the outputs, and this is the input. I'll just try and test it, but I doubt if this transformer is working. You can see how blackened those coils are. I doubt whether this transformer is working, and it fails the sniff test. Just smells of burnt wires. The fan, definitely I will also replace it. I will also replace the switches. Where are they? These switches are definitely have seen better days. This is the bus unit. I don't know what was going on over here, because this one looks like somebody was trying to repair something. It doesn't look like an insect was living inside here, but rather it looks like somebody was trying to repair something. I doubt if this thing is working. I really doubt. Let me check on this other side. Definitely you can see that this amplifier at some point had been repaired. You can see that. You can look at that. You can see that over there. can see how the connections are peeling from the board. You can look at that. That one looks like some soldering that was going on. You can also look at this area. You also look at this area. Looks like this one was heating up. Okay, but we'll give it a chance and see whether it's going to work and whether we can correct those badly soldered areas. Looking at it from this other side, I don't see anything that is off apart from that that modification that had been done there. The rest looks fine, but I'll just give it a shot. And then we have this stereo amp, and I think these units are out of the market. I bought this one in the 2018-2019. I remember I had this machine up to when we had the lockdown from COVID, and this one looks in a better shape. I don't think this one has been tampered with. The rest are just dirt that needs to be brushed off, but this one looks like it should be working well. What else? We have this equalizer, Kevlar. This was a very good type of equalizer. It is an all metal design. It is quite heavy, and the good thing is that there were just not many controls here. It was just treble, bass, sub volume, and fader. You know, there was nothing much in terms of adjusting the stereo. And as you can see, this is the power connection. You know, the positive, the negative, and the memory one. And you can see the inputs. You can use input 1 or input 2. And then you have the output, that is the subwoofer, the left and the right. And this one was, you know, uses about 12 volts. So this one looks like it's in good shape. And lastly, we have this small transformer. This transformer also looks like it's in good shape. Now let us give it a sniff test. This one is nice, and you can see, you can easily compare. You can compare these two, and you can see how this transformer particularly overheated until this paper just bubbled and just looks like it's coming off. So I doubt this transformer is good, because you can even see the evidence of heating. I like this one, which looks good. So those are the first impressions for this machine. So I will take off most of this data as much as I can, then test each component, and the ones that will be good will be reused. The ones that will be bad will need to be bought, and we'll bring this amplifier back to where it's supposed to be, and it will just be looking as good as the ones that I've been posting in my previous videos.